Hi, I'm John from Brisbane Camperland, and I'm going to show you the all-new 12-volt Carefree awning featured on the 2019 Jayco Silverline and Journey models. Jayco have introduced the easiest awning most people say they've ever used. The 12-volt Carefree awning has eliminated the work of rolling out and rolling in manual caravan awnings, with this technology taking it to a whole new level. This feature of the 2019 Journey and Silverline models now comes with the added benefit of being able to set up or pack up your awning remotely from the convenience of your driver's seat. Simply download the app, push and hold the retract button for 5 seconds, it'll look for the awning to connect, click on the awning, add it as My Awning, and once it's connected, the awning will roll out at the click of a button. Also, with the press of a button, we've still got the ever popular strip light that everybody loves. We've also got the ability to still do a privacy screen, AFK kit, or full annex on the van. Another couple of really cool features with the awning is its ability to drop pooling water if it starts raining too much. If water significantly pools, it will automatically drop down, dump the water and spring back up. You can also set the pitch of the awning. So simply press the button and away you go. 100 mils to play with either side. Come on into our dealership at Brisbane Camperland, Wynnum Road, Tingalpa to speak to one of our friendly team, or browse our website for models on display at brisbanecamperland.com.au, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.